Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Miss Daphne, and today's video is going to be the second episode of Money in the Bank, where I share with you guys my sales for the week. Today's video is going to be for the first week of February 1st to February 7th. So yeah, let's get into it. Today I don't have any Poshmark or Mercari sales, so these sales are just going to be strictly on eBay. And I believe it's going to be for two eBay accounts. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first sale that we have starting on the 1st is for these Blissful Benefits warm and cozy thermal socks. This customer purchased 2 pairs, I believe, for $23.97 plus shipping. And I picked these up at Walmart for $1 each. The second item that sold is J. Crew Perfect Fit Turtleneck in stripe, and this item sold for, it's so confusing a little bit. Oh no, okay, so it sold for $28.28, and I purchased this directly from J. Crew for $4. The third item that sold are these Under Armour men's rain pants. And these sold for $60 plus shipping, and I picked these up at TJ Maxx for $10. And guys, also if you're also interested in, again, how I do my stock photos or how I do my professional looking photos and remove the background from them, yes, even with mannequins and even with hangers, guys, you can still use this free app to achieve the same look with your photos. So if you are interested in that, please click the video right here. The fourth item that sold is this J. Crew Painter bow neck t-shirt in Golden Sun, and this sold for $26.50 plus shipping, and I also picked this up for $3 or $4 directly from J. Crew. So the next item that sold is a J. Crew factory mock neck tank, and this item sold for $15.60 plus shipping, and I got these from J. Crew Factory online. And I want to say these were about $2 to $3. I'm gonna just say $3, but I think I paid $2 something for them. The next item that sold were these heat retainer thermal socks by Mook Lukes, and this customer purchased 2 of them. I'm gonna have the profit accurate in here, but I believe they purchased 2 for $26.98 because I have a store promotion. But I want to say they were $14.99. They paid $14.99 a piece, and so these I picked up at not TJ Maxx, Marshalls not too long ago for $1.50 each. The next item that sold is this J. Crew snap collar Sherpa sweatshirt in leopard, and this item sold for $40, and I believe I purchased this for about $6 off of J. Crew. The next item that sold was these Boulder Gear Kodiak Snow ski pants, and I sold these for $61.60. This is something that I have for a while. I purchased this off of Sierra Trade Mess for $10, and these finally sold for me, so that was good. So I'm gonna skip a few of these because the profits are low. One of them I showed y'all in my last what sold video was a something that I sell on a regular from my dollar store, or the aquarium clean backgrounds. So if you want to see that item, I do frequently sell these, so it's in my last video. But I am going to skip a few of the low profit items for the sake of editing. As y'all seen, my fiance, he edits all my videos, y'all, and that's very time consuming, so we just gonna skip a few of the lower profit items. Okay, so the next item that sold was 3, I'll drop all 3 of them right here, but she purchased 3 of the J. Crew drop shoulder t-shirts, different colors, size XL. She paid $24.50 plus shipping for all of them. So I want to say, I remember if the total was about $24.60. It was like maybe like $80 total, 70 something. She put like 12 something shipping. She didn't combine it, like she just paid for all of them. So, you know, I got some money on shipping there too. So but this one person bought 3 tops for $24.50 a piece plus shipping, and I purchased these for $3 each off of J. Crew. The next item that sold, we got February 3rd, is William McDonald Arise Live Worship Gospel CD. And this item sold for $19.13, free shipping. And I purchased this for about 40 to 60 cents at one of my thrift stores. This might have been the last one, but I have purchased quite a few CDs at a good price. They were brand new and they seem to be selling. So yeah, this was this is the last one that sold of that one. Okay, another clean background sold. The next item that sold is J. Crew bucket hat for $22. And I purchased this for about $3 off of J. Crew as well. And I think I had this one for a little minute too. Not too long, but a little minute. Okay, another clean background sold. So if y'all have this in your area, a King Dollar in your area, you might want to go pick that item up. But again, check out my last video to see that. We're gonna skip that one. We're gonna skip that one. The next item that sold is this Ralph Lauren Plaid Ruffle button front top and a 1X. This is something I picked up at my local thrift store for 50 cents, and this item sold for $15.99 plus shipping. The next item that sold is this J. Crew 365 cow neck tank top. This one sold for $20, and I also purchased this off of J. Crew for $3. I'm gonna skip that one. You know, I'm actually gonna tell you this one because this is something I picked up differently. The next item that sold was this Ransom Junior's Oversized Turtleneck knit top, and I sold this one for $14.50 plus shipping. And the reason I wanted to do this one because this I actually purchased like a while back, maybe a couple of years ago, and I relisted them not that long ago. They're slowly selling, but this is something I actually purchased sourced off of eBay. I don't know how I stumbled across it, but I guess it was this guy who was getting rid of clothing that he got from Kohl's. So it was a box full of like Ransom and SO, stuff like that. It was, I don't remember exactly, but I had a few of these, a few of another style, and then some girls' dresses or something like that. So, and I want to say I paid like maybe $25 or $30 for the whole box, free shipping and everything. So that was pretty good. So I just wanted to put that in there, that you can also source on eBay. You can source on Amazon, y'all. Y'all can source things on these sites and then go and turn around and flip them back on there. So I just wanted to let you know that. The next item I sold is this, the 6th. This J. Crew tie waist pocket t-shirt, $19.60. And I also purchased this off of J. Crew for $3 or $4. The next item I saw was this Ben Silver Charleston London silk ties. They have a tennis print on them. They were in mint condition. One of them had a tag. I picked both of these up at my local, at one of my thrift stores. I paid 50 cents each for them. And I did have them for a while. Maybe not a year, but I've had it for a while. And they sent an offer the other day for $50. So of course I took that. And it was plus shipping as well, $50 plus shipping. The next item I sold was these Blair silhouette slimmer skirts. Y'all, this is something I purchased also a while back. I just got them for a really good deal. There's maybe $2 or $3 off of Blair. I don't remember the site, but they sell like Blair and all the like Alfred Dunner and stuff like that. I haven't shopped on it in a while because that stuff don't do too well for me. Well, it do, but I wouldn't pay the $2 or $3 for it. I would pick them up in lots at my thrift store. Like recently I picked up a lot of Alfred Dunner stretch pants. Y'all, I probably pay like, in those I probably paid 25 cents for. I had like maybe 4 or 5, 6 pairs, put them in a lot and sold it for $60, y'all. So yeah, lots, I'm telling you, lots are good. When you find something similar or even in the same size, same style, put it in a lot and sell it that way. They purchased 4 of them, so they got free shipping. So they paid $25.33 free shipping for these. I was just happy to get them off because they bought all the ones I had, y'all. I thought I was gonna have to, like, you know, I was actually just gonna donate them, but they just happened to sell, so that was really good. They bought all 4 that I had for $25.33 free shipping, and I was able to fit them all in a padded flat rate for $7 something. So I still made a decent profit, so just look to the side for that profit. The next item, what's it, the 7th? Okay, so this is the last item, is this J. Crew Slim Perfect t-shirt, $21.32, and I paid $3 for this on J. Crew. Okay, so give me a second and I'm gonna log into my second page to see if we had any sales on there. All right, y'all, so we are now logged into our second page, y'all, and I have another item shipped, so I just want to throw this in there, y'all. So the other day we got all these, I don't know how many it was, maybe about 100 or less, I don't know, all these DVDs over there, if you can. Okay, the ones over there, we got all those listed. They're all brand new. These were given to me by my grandmother, and yeah, so we just listed them all. We listed a few cents for the lowest price, and y'all, I think so far we've stolen. Now, a lot of them are very, very cheap, and a lot of people do free shipping. I didn't want to mess with medium mail, so I did do first class. So for a lot of them, I'm only profiting like change to a few dollars, which is still not bad since they were given to me. But y'all, they've been selling, so I think I'm finna get into the media market, y'all. I'm finna start scanning. I already do books and I sell those on Amazon, and yeah, I'm finna start scanning DVDs and CDs and stuff like that. Yeah, because these things, we listed these legit not even 24 hours ago, and we are already, let me tell you how many I sold so far. Because we listed one and he was going to ship out my packages, and before he went yesterday, one sold like that. So we like hurried and packed it up and shipped it out. But since last night to this morning, I've sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 DVDs out, 8 artists, because one person purchased 2 of them. And let me see something, y'all, because I'm not finna. Okay, never mind. All right. Okay, so let's get to those sales right quick. Starting on the first, I don't think I have that many. Yeah, I don't have that many sales. And I'm telling y'all now that I saw some DVDs, but there's not gonna be in my what sale video next week either, because they just low profit items. So we said starting on the 1st. Okay, so February 2nd, starting on February 2nd, the first item that I sold right here is this Adidas Climate Hat cap. I don't know, y'all, and this was something I purchased for myself and just never wore. I have a big head, so it didn't fit like I wanted it to. And that one sold for $15.66, so I don't know, I'm just say $15.66. I don't really know what I paid for it or anything like that. So y'all, I just sold that one for $15.66 plus shipping. The second item I sold was these Cohan Ella Grand 2 loafers right here in a size 9.5. And I purchased these off of, I want to say DSW. And I just listed them on here because they sent it in a damaged box. And it just maybe looked like a customer return or something like that. So I just listed them here and didn't use the stock photos. I would normally put that on my other page. But I just went ahead and listed them here. And I believe I paid about, I believe I paid about $8 or $9 for them off of DSW. And these sold for $36.54 plus shipping. Total was about $50. And y'all, I actually think that's it. I just sold those 2 items last week on here, and that is it, y'all. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next what sold video. Y'all stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up on the videos that you like, guys. If you ever have any questions for me, please reach out. I left my contact information at the bottom. You can also just leave a comment down below. And yeah, y'all stay tuned and subscribe, y'all. I'm gonna be dropping so many more videos. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.